After you've completed the Mod Podge page, you will do the painting page. And over here I used a gift card for the background, and then I did 3 different types of stenciling. I had the sequin waste, the cardboard, and then a cup I did the rings on. For the background, make sure you use the thinner paint, it'll go faster, and then the thicker paint for the stenciling. Today what we're going to do is start weaving your pages together. You will have a little bit of leftover, so we'll put the leftover straight across the bottom so it matches this side. And then also we'll use leftovers as a border so that you can do a design over here and the whole thing ties together. Today I'll be using the school glue and I need scissors. I went ahead and poured mine on wax paper. I don't know if you can see it over here. I'm going to use a toothpick just because the top of mine clogs, so that's going to be what I'm going to do. And you'll go ahead and take your painted sheet, or the one that looks like this, and we're going to cut the strips up to this line. This will be our base piece that we're going to weave with. I'm going to finish cutting these. Okay, and I cut just up to the line. Make sure your name is up here so that we know whose it is once you've started. I have that. And then if I flip over here, I have all my strips and I have them numbered. This will work the same way. It doesn't matter which size of the strips you did, if you did the 1/2 inch or the whole inch. I'm going to start with number 1, and I'm only going to cut 1 or 2 at a time. And remember, you won't use all of this, so I would wait until you get to the bottom there. We're going to leave these in order so you can still tell what the design is. So I'm just going to do the 1. And then I'm going to make sure that all my numbers end up on the same side. So once they're here, I'm just going to flip them over to this side like that. So then I'm going to flip up every other strip. So I'm just going to start here. And I'm going to pull them up clear. The first one should be clear up to your line there. And hopefully this type of weaving you've done before. Like that. And my number's over here. It'll go right there and these will come down. And you will want to make sure this is up tight and then all the way over to the edge. You don't want it hanging over because there won't be any extra. I'm going to glue down as I go. You can choose if you want to do that. I think you have better results if you do that. And we're going to press this at the end of the hour. So I'm just going to do a little tiny bit of glue on here. Make sure my number's still on the right side. I'm going to line it up over here. This is the side that's going to show. And you can also do a little dot of glue right there. Just a little bit, not very much. Okay, and then push that up tight together. And then you're going to flip up the opposite for the next strip. Make sure that's not hanging out. So my next strip I'm going to cut. And now I'm flipping up every other one. So the opposite of what I just did. And then I'll make sure that the number is going to be over here when I flip it over. Line it up on the side and push it clear up close, and then another dot right here. Okay, and with each one, push them up tight and make sure these stay in. You don't want to, they will like kind of move out if you're not careful, so make sure you're still pushing those in. And I think gluing as you go helps as well. I'm going to go ahead and finish, but this is the process for weaving your pages together.